Now with me here is the list of the top 5 most luxurious private jets of football players, starting from number 5 to number 1 according to wealth. At number 5 is Paul Pogba's Gulfstream G280, which is worth 21 million US dollars. At number 4 is David Beckham's Bombardier Challenger 350, which is worth 21 million US dollars. And number 3 is Zlatan Ibrahimovic's Cessna Citation Longitude, which is worth 26 million US dollars. At number 2 is Lionel Messi's Gulfstream GV, which is worth 48 million US dollars. Then number 1 is Cristiano Ronaldo's Gulfstream G650, which is worth 73 million US dollars. This is Cuba News.